when our relationships become the leftover. We understand what is a leftover food means. When we have dinner or maybe we have lunch, often a chapati or maybe some portion of the vegetable curry is left. We may either put it in the fridge to be eaten in the next day or the next time meal, or we may discard it in the dustbin. Though I'm not a big favor of wasting food. But coming to relationships, when our relationships cease to become the main course and instead become the leftovers. By that I mean, I will ask you a question. Where does your partner stand in the list of priorities? The priorities could be work, family, home, parents, your friends. So what happens is, when we begin a relationship, and this all of us have experienced, we begin a relationship on a very high note. Like we make an immense effort and time and all the resources to give our partner that attention. Like our partner becomes the center of our world. The relationship is everything that we aspire and strive to get in that moment. But as things settle, as we become more comfortable and secure and in a routine in the relationship, especially in marriages or where there is a certain commitment that has been discussed and agreed, we kind of become lackadaisical. We become laid back. Like the relationship has to work on its own. No more putting in effort. Because we didn't even recognize the initial stage of a relationship when we are making a lot of effort. And I tell you, this is what I also witnessed personally in my own relationship. And this is what I see keep on happening. Like couples just leave it. They feel like, okay, this will work on its own. And they're even resentful of making an effort. Like relationships don't require an effort when everything else in life requires an effort. You want to go to shopping, you have to make an effort. You have to maybe book a cab, change, take your wallet. There is an effort to everything. So why is it that people don't accept that even relationships and particularly healthy relationships need an effort? So in a previous relationship, my partner, he was, when I saw him interacting with other people, he would do it with a lot of respect and affection and so much of attention. But when he would do it, it was completely different. It was like, okay, you are here, It's just like I was one of those things in his life. Like I was more like a piece of furniture in the house. This is what my existence was in that relationship. And this is what happens in most of the cases, that our relationship drifts down to the bottom list of our priorities and we don't even know it. Like couples, they would fight more frequently. They would stop giving that priority. It's about the priority to the relationship and to the partner. They start taking their partner for granted and then reaches a point when the relationship breaks down irrevocably. So, this does not have to be always like this. It is just that we don't know any better. And we certainly now know how to put back our relationship and our partner back into the list of our priorities. So imagine you're waking up once in the early morning, or maybe right now it's the morning that you're watching it. So you're waking up once in an early morning and you are imagining, what would it take for me to value my partner on the top list of my priorities? What is that one small step or one small activity or one small gesture that I can do to make him or her feel that they are indeed important to me? And the answer does not have to be that complicated. It could be maybe you have woken up in one early morning and you've just snuggled and you've just given a sweet cuddle to each other. Maybe during the day, you can exchange a sweet text. You can message them that you miss them or you are so lucky to have them. You don't need occasions to say, convey your gratitude. You can even say no to something to give more time to them. You can even do one of the chores, one of their work without them asking you to do. So there are millions of things, small things that you can do. And it does not have to be a big, large gesture. Because a relationship is built on those small little things that we do on a daily basis. It does not have to be a big thing, although they also are quite pleasurable. So, put back your partner back on the list of your priorities and your relationship.